video. Now take a look at my skin. My skin is looking clear. I feel like I'm getting back that natural glow to my skin, and that is all because I have been using the khichibeauty turmeric facial cream. This facial cream have to clear spots and blemishes. I noticed that it is lightening and brightening my skin. Not only that, I noticed that it is also reducing my wrinkles and fine lines on my skin. I'm trying to open it right here for you to see and take a look. This is the cream that is doing it all. The honest truth is I use the full collection on my skin, which contain a facial wash, a facial toner, a facial serum, but I'm telling you, this cream has been doing my skin justice, like justice. I was like so badly in need of something that is gonna just brighten my skin, and I am loving this. Lighten, brighten, and leave my skin radiant and just giving my skin that natural glow. I just gentle massage it on my skin, and I like to use it at night. However, you can use it AM and PM on the skin. Just look at that. Look at where I just applied. It contains turmeric, and if you don't know anything about turmeric, turmeric is one of the most effective ingredients that topically used on the skin have to lighten and brighten the skin. If you watch my channel, you'd have noticed like I had a video that I made years ago using a fresh turmeric mask on my skin, and when I pull it off my skin, rinse it off, I was like blown away. I didn't know that a turmeric could really clear the skin up so fast, like no form of touching, just natural and raw. And that is what inspired us to make this turmeric. It's a collection, but this turmeric cream is giving my skin life. You can get this on my website, ALESMAXii.com. I'll put the link somewhere here, and if you're interested and you want the full collection, reach for it. I'm telling you, lighten, brighten the skin. Turmeric facial cream right here, and this contains some amazing ingredients. Let me go really quick. The turmeric extract, of course, it also contains a squalene, and it also contains, let me see, ascorbic acid, which help to lighten, which is vitamin C. That is, it also contains aloe vera juice, believe it or not. It also contains some beets in it, and it also contains centinela, and if you know anything about that, that also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. This also contain a little bit of a let me see, I said that already. Oh my goodness, this just have a lot of amazing ingredients in it. Squalene also have a bit of hyaluronic acid in it. Ooh, great guys. As a host of just really good ingredients for your skin. Check it out on my website and get it, grab it, use it, and you're on your way to amazing looking skin, clear skin, bright skin, soft skin, supple skin, and there you have it, all in its natural glow. Comment below and let me know, and if you're interested in the collection, you can also find it on the website. As I said, this comes with the facial cleanser, it comes with a facial toner, it comes with a facial serum, it comes with a facial mask, and it also have a facial polish that you can just polish away all the grease and dirt from the skin. Thank you so much for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment, and don't forget to reach and grab your turmeric facial cream, which is from the khichibeauty turmeric collection.